show you a little bit about our screws while we got some downtime here. These are the 1028 screws that I have on the site. They fit into a large majority of the accessories. So what I want to show you here real quick is why people like these. So this is like the standard screw that you get, right? So you're playing here and you're doing this, and everybody's happy. But this ain't the original screw. It comes with this washer, right? So second hand, it comes with a washer now. So you might as well just dump that and just do this instead of playing around with the wing and the balancing. You just pop this on and go right there. Look at this. This is the depth screw, the depth stop that I made. So you just line up the bracket. Everything's lined up perfect. And you just line it in, screw it in. You can go one finger, opposed to you going back to your old school way. All right, so I'm all about efficiency. So look, so let's put this back in. I gotta sit here. You know the feeling. Look at that. And shit starts moving. Then you forgot the washer. Now I gotta back the whole thing off. Or just use the right product that should have been here 100 years ago. Pop it in. Screw it down. Done. So these screws, I have them plentiful on the site. They would go right into here with no issues. The spoke shaves, these screws go in right here, front and back of the 1028s. I'm probably even sure this is a 1028. These, some versions of the scrapers have 1028. You just have to look at the thin, or is it this? I think it's the Sweetheart and after becomes the thicker screws, so these wouldn't fit. But never fear, because we make them. So we're very happy. This next coming months, we should be having a large majority of screws coming in that haven't been offered before. So we're very excited. Good times ahead for Woodia.